Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As we have started tenses, so before this we have discussed present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite. Today we will discuss present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. As I have already told you that there are basically three tenses: present, past, and future. Let me repeat. Basically, there are three tenses: present, past, and future. So every tense, each tense is divided in four branches. If present is divided in four branches, if past is divided in four branches, and if future is divided in four branches, so in this way it becomes total number 12 tenses. So these branches are present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. The four branches of past: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And likewise the four branches of future: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So in this way they make 12 tenses. But basically there are three tenses, and today we are doing its second branch, that is continuous branch. So we are discussing the present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. So continuous, as you know, the meaning of continuous is the work is continue, jari. If that work is continue in present, so it will be called in present continuous. वो खेल रहा है, वो गा रहा है, वो पढ़ रहा है, वो सो रहा है, so this is present continuous. If we called about the past continuous, if the work is continue in past, so वो खेल रहा था, वो सो रहा था, वो पढ़ रहा था, likewise, so it will be past continuous. And if the work is continue in future, so it will be called future continuous. Like वो खेल रहा होगा, वो पढ़ रहा होगा, वो जा रहा होगा, वो आ रहा होगा, वो गीत गा रहा होगा. So all these sentences are future continuous. So we have to understand the clarity of the branch continuous. Continuous mean continue, jari. The work is continue. So, and one more thing I would like to discuss, that we are discussing about the active voice sentences. All these are active voice. Active voice mean in which the subject works. Subject, it comes in the start of the sentence. So, and today we will discuss about how these sentences are made. So first of all we are going to discuss the present continuous and its syntax. Then we will discuss past continuous, its syntax, and then we will discuss future continuous and its syntax. Syntax I have already shared with you. It's a very important thing. SYNTAX. Syntax means the order of the words in the sentence. There must be a specific order. Subject would come in the start, followed by form of verb, followed by object. So let's see the syntax of present continuous. Subject, S stands for subject. Subject followed by is, am, are. These are three helping verbs. Is, am, are, plus this present participle. Present participle means first form plus ing. Sometimes we also call it fourth form of verb. PP, that is present participle. It means first form of verb plus ing. From go, going, come, coming, read, reading, play, playing, teach, teaching. So all these ing form of verbs are called present participle, followed by object. So there are these four things in present continuous, that are subject in the start, followed by is or am or are as a helping verb, followed by present participle means first form of verb plus ing, followed by object. O stands for object. So in negative sentences we will use subject plus is, am, are plus not, because negative sentences are there, plus present participle. Present participle mean first form of verb plus ing plus object. Likewise, past continuous. So past continuous is subject plus was, were. The word is was or were plus present participle plus object. The negative sentences of past continuous, subject will be in the start plus was or were plus not plus present participle plus object. Likewise, future continuous, subject plus will or shall. Will be used with he, she, it or plural, and shall will be used I and we. When the pronouns are I and we, then we will use shall. Otherwise, with all pronouns we will use will. Plus be, plus present participle. Present participle, as I have already told you, present participle means first form of verb plus ing plus object. So this is, future continuous. And now future continuous negative, subject plus will, shall plus not plus be plus present participle plus object. So these are general formation of the continuous sentences in present, in past or in future. So today we discuss the second branch of these tenses, that is continuous. So we discuss the present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Furthermore, for giving you the example, I can tell you some sentences like he, in present continuous, he is playing cricket. In past continuous we will say he was playing cricket. In future continuous we will say he will be playing cricket. One more sentence, he is reading the book. He is reading the book. In past continuous we say he was reading the book. And in future continuous we will say he will be reading the book. Likewise, one more sentence is we are taking part in the play. We are taking part in the play. हम ड्रामे में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं. We are taking part in the play. Its past continuous will be we were taking part in the play. We were taking part in the play. हम ड्रामे में हिस्सा ले रहे थे. Likewise, future will be we shall be taking part in the play. We shall be taking part in the play. Now let's see its negative sentences. She is not playing badminton. She is not playing badminton. In past continuous we will say she was not playing badminton. She was not playing badminton. And future continuous, she will not be playing badminton. Likewise, so you have seen these sentences. And if you have to make the interrogative sentences, so we will bring these helping verb is, am, are in the beginning. Like, is he playing cricket in the ground? Is he playing cricket in the ground? Was he playing cricket in the ground? Will he be playing cricket in the ground? One more sentence is, are you preparing your test? Are you preparing your test? Were you preparing your test? And in future continuous, will you be preparing your test? So it's very easy if we have understood the concept of continuity. If we have understood the concept of continuity in present, in past and in future, so we can understand that what are these sentences, and we can understand the tenses in a better concept. So today we discussed the continuous branch in simultaneously in present continuous, in past continuous, and in future continuous. So I would like to throw some light at the end on present participle. Present participle we say when we make when we attach ing with first form of verb, so we call it present participle. So like go, going, play, playing, read, reading, come, coming. So all are present participle. So we use present participle in present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. I hope you have understood the topic. Anyhow, if there will be any question or any query in your mind, don't shy, please ask. And for getting lecture like this, you can press the icon of button. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people you are around. Allah Hafiz.